Hi, my name is Emily Garcia, and today's quick tip will touch on finding resources, clubs, and offices in graduate school. Navigating graduate school itself can be overwhelming, especially when you have to move out of state, out of your home country, or transition out of a full-time job to pursue your graduate degree. But rest be assured that most often you're probably not going through it alone. And so I will touch on how to find a couple of those resources. So one of the ways to find just general resources within graduate school or in the area that you'll be living in to attend graduate school is by benefiting from the newspapers that your graduate school generates. I have one. It's a little old, but it'll serve for my purpose. So here I can see that this was a newspaper created for Purdue students. And in here, I actually was able to access, auto repair in the city. So where can I go? What are some of the auto repairs that other students have talked about and discussed as being great? So a quick tool or resource like this helps a lot. But I can't emphasize how much Google and Google Maps will be one of your best friends. So with Google, let me show you real quick. We can do a quick search bar. Try to think about what you want to look for. So if we're looking for clubs in this case, then I would look at Purdue and then just literally just put in their student organizations. And here I can see real quick, it's the first link that pops up. It's a great layout of information about how to get involved on campus, how to find them all at once. There's actually here, it shows that there's particular fair where clubs organize to recruit new students, but let's say I missed it. So in this case, I would just go here on the side where it says explore. And voila, like I can see not only some of the organizations that are available on campus, but also like what events are going on. And so this is one way to find clubs besides word of mouth when you meet other students on campus. When you want to look for a particular offices, Google Maps might be your best thing to do, but if not, you could also just look them up. In this case, let's say I want to find a financial aid office. And once again, it's a quick, easy find that I can do. They also have other resources that I may not have thought of. And here I can see the exact location of where they will be. And I can just put that on Google Maps and find it. If we're looking for resources in general, I think most graduate schools will have a single web page that has been generated with a lot of resources having in mind what graduate school students might need. And so we might also want to look for that. So in this case, we could just put graduate school resources. And here I can see that I will find a couple of links. I will go to the first one, and here I can see that I can find resources relating to childcare, mental health. I can also see if there are other offices that I need to look for. There might also be cultural centers. So these are centers that relate more to helping you identify and feel included on campus. Insurance could be another thing that we might be looking for, or in this case, it could also be disability resource centers. So these are centers that are helping students become better accommodated on campus. And so I hope that has helped. Thank you for watching.